Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about percentage. Percentage is given by this formula equals rate times base. Now let's talk about the rate first. Rate is the percent that we know. Say for example, 20%. 20% by definition is a fraction of 100 parts. In this case, that is 20 out of 100 parts. We can also express this in decimal, which is 0.2, or express it in fraction in simplest form, which is 1 over 5. We're going to use this one, the 100 parts definition. Okay, let's apply our formula to some problems here. All right, what is 10% of 250 pesos? Let's identify the given values first. 10% is the rate. The 250 pesos is the base. So in this problem, we're going to find the percentage. Let's denote that into P. So by formula, percentage is equal to rate times base. I just want to use the colon only, or if you may, you use equal. So percentage is rate times base. Our rate is 10%. We use the 100 parts definition. It's 10 over 100 times the base. When you're multiplying, dividing numbers like this, you can simply cancel out the zeros. You pair 1 0 from the numerator and 1 0 from the denominator just by simply dividing 10 from the numerator denominator. Okay. And we can still pair 0 from the numerator and 1 0 from denominator. So reduce now to 1 times 25, which is equal to 25 pesos. So 25 pesos is 10% of 250 pesos. Number 2, 25%, that is our rate. 620 grams, that is our base. And of course, this problem, we're looking for the percentage. So the percentage is rate, which is 25 out of 100 times the base. We pair the zeros, and then we can still divide. We can reduce 25 and 10 by dividing by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Next, 62 can be divided by 2. So we'll write it down here. That's 5. 62 divided by 2 is 31. Then we'll multiply this. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15 grams. Okay. Number 3. Simon has 340 lollipops. He sold 40% of it. How many did he sell? Okay, so 340 lollipops is the base, and this is the rate. So we're looking for the percentage again. 40%. The base. We pair the zeros. And then we reduce to 4 times 34. 4 times 4 is 16. We carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. And this is lollipops. Okay, so 40% of 240 is 136. Number 4, what percent is 40 in 280? 40 is the percentage, 280 is the base. We're looking for the rate. Looking back at the formula, we solve for the rate. So we can cross multiply our base here. We have rate equals percentage over base. So we got this resulting formula. Rate equals percentage over base. And we still need to multiply by 100% to express our final answer into percent. Okay. Rate is percentage, which is 40. It's 40. Base is 280 times 100%. We pair the zeros, and then 4 and 28 can be reduced by dividing 4. 4 divided 4 is 1. 28 divided 4 is 7. And we have now 100 by 7. 100 divided by, let's start with 10 first. 10 divided 7 is 1. And we still have remainder 3. That's 30. Divide 7. 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So from 30, we have a remainder of 2. We can borrow 0 so that we can start our decimal. 20 divided 7, it's 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 to 20, we have a remainder of 6. We borrow 0. And 60 divided 7 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. We have a remainder of 4. I will stop here. 14.28%. Number 5. Jim sold 60 pencils out of 300 pencils. So this is our percentage. 300 pencils is our base. And we're looking for the rate, which is the percent. By formula of our rate is equal to percentage over base, 60 over 300. We pair the zeros. You can still pair it here. We can divide 6 by 3. That's 2. 2 times 10 is 20. We have 20%. Number 6. 50 is 20% of what number? 50 is the percentage. 20 is the rate. So we're looking for the base. Now if you look for the base, go back to this original formula. We're looking for the base, so we need to take away this rate here. We simply cross multiply and put it at the denominator here. So base is equal to percentage over rate. This is now the resulting formula. Base equals percentage over rate. Okay, let's answer this one. We're looking for the base. The percentage is 50. The rate is 20. That's 20 over 100. You can simply take the reciprocal of 20 over 100. This becomes 50 times 100 over 20. We pair the zeros. Can pair it here. Okay. We divide 10 by 2. This is 5. And we have 5 times 50. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. So the base number is 250. And 50 is 20% of 250. Number 7. 45%, this is our rate, of n is 360. So n is our base, 360 is our percentage. Our n is a known, so we're looking for the base in this problem. By formula, the base is equal to percentage over rate, which is 360. Our rate is 45 over 100. Take the reciprocal. We can reduce by dividing by 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. 45 divided by 5 is 9. We can still reduce our 36 and 9. 36 can be divided by 9, which is 4. By including the zeros, 40. And 9 divided 9 is 1. Here we have 2 times 4 is 8. And we add 2 zeros. That's 800. So 800 is the base. And 45% of the 800 is 360. Number 8. Rob spent 20% of his allowance, this is the rate, worth 200 pesos. So this is the percentage. How much was his allowance? We're looking for the base, or small b. By formula, base is percentage over rate, 200 over 20 over 100. 200. Take the reciprocal. Pair the zeros. 10 divided 2 is 5. 5 times 200 is 1,000 pesos. So this is his allowance, which is the base number. Number 9. Shirt's original price, $40, is now $32. It's represented by a bar. Original price is 40. It's now 32. So it's discounted by $8. Now in this problem, we're looking for the percent, looking for the R. Take note, the original is the base. Now the percentage R, there are two percentage, the discounted price and the discount. In this problem, we're looking for the discount. So this is what we're looking for. Using the formula for our rate, so percentage is 8, the base is 40 times 100%. Pair the zeros. 8 divided 4 is 2. 2 times 10 is 20%. Number 10. Mary scored 80 out of 100 in her math test. Let's use the bar again. Her score, the total score is 100. Her score is only 80. So 20 points she missed.
36. And then after eating,
In this problem, we're looking for the percent of her score, that is the rate.
okay, number 1.
So the total score is the base. And then we have two percentage here. Her score and the score that she missed. This problem, we're looking for the percentage, the percent of her score, so this one. Using the formula for rate, percentage is 80 over the base. We pair the zeros and cancel it. We have 80%. So she gets 80% of her score. Next one, smartphone's price increased from 500 to 600. So the original is $500. And it's increased by $100. So the total is $600. Find the increase in percent. Now, our base is 500 and the increase is 100. So this, we have two percentage here, the increase and the original price, the increased price, this one. In this problem, we're looking for the increase in percent, this one. So let's use the formula of rate. The percentage is 100 divided by the original, which is the base. Pair the zeros, cancel. And then 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 20% is the increase. Number 12, a store offers 15% discount of all items. What is the reduced price of 175 watch? Let's draw the price. This is $175. That's the original price. It's actually the base. And then the discount is 15%. So this is 15% discount. This is the rate. And this is the discount percentage. The reduced price is this one. Okay, this is the reduced price. This is another percentage as well for reduced price. And since this is 15%, so the reduced price is 85% of the original value. In this problem, we're looking for this one, the percentage of the reduced price. The formula is given by this. Looking for the percentage. Percentage is equal to the rate. A rate is equal to 85%. 85% is 85 over 100 in 100 parts times the base is 175. And then we can reduce this by 5. 85 divide 5 This is
Next is the number 2.
8 divided 5 is 1. We have 35. 35 divided 5 is 17. 100 divided 5 is 25. Okay. Next, 175. We can divide this by 5. That is about 4 and then 7. Okay, we have 7, 25, and 175. Well, let's multiply this. 7 times 7 is 49. Carry 4. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4 is 11. So the reduced price is $119. Number 13. 30% of a pizza is left. Let's draw a rectangle here. It's only 30% is left. So that means 70% of pizza is eaten. And it weighs 500 grams. So 30% of pizzas left is 500 grams. And what was the original weight? So we're looking for the original weight. This one. Now this is the percentage. RB is unknown. So we're looking for the base in this problem. So what are the given? We have the rate, we have the percentage. Regarding this part that is left, we can now solve the base using this formula. The base is equal to percentage. A percentage is 500 divided by the rate. The rate is 30%. That is 30 over 100. That is 500. Take the reciprocal. And then pair the zeros. So this is 5,000 divided by 3. 5 by 3 is 1. You have a remainder of 2. 20 divided 3 is 6. 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. We have a remainder of 2. Again, it's another 6. We have a remainder of 2. It's 20 divided 3. 6. We have a remainder of 2. Start borrowing 0, and this is a small start. So that is about 1,666.67 grams.